Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. I want to use this medium to appreciate you for your endless support and effort, and I want to show you that in this video I unbox another phone which is Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and here is the phone. And for those of you that are willing to buy the phone, I want to unbox it and see what are there inside the phone. First of all, as you can see, you unbox it like this. Yeah. Then here is it. You have to open this one. Yes. Then you pull it out. Let's see. Okay, sorry. You have to open it like this. You can see it now. Yeah. This is how the cover of the phone is. Look at it. So for this one, you open it like this again. Alright, this is the cover of the phone. And this is the guide. Give this one, then let's see, this is the receipt of the phone. This is the receipt, and this is the follow come this thing, screen guard. Yeah, and this is the main phone. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 9. As you can see, this is how the phone looks like. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll open it for you and check so many things about the phone. But most importantly, the most interesting part about this phone is that it contains S Pen. This is the S Pen of the phone that you can use to complete this, to do other things, and so many more. And if you open the cover again, yeah, you open it. This is the charger. Yeah. And contain a very fast charging device. And other stuffs are, you can see this is the cord of the charger, and it is Type C. It's Type C, it's very fast. And here is the headphone or earpiece of the phone. This is the earpiece. Look at it. It's very awesome. And there's so many more. This is the pin. This is the pin of the phone. Yeah, that is it. I really appreciate you once again, and don't be tired of supporting me. Subscribe to my channel if it is your first time, and I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching.